Hello everyone, I am WO4ROB Rob from Joshua Tree, California, and this is my GPS home locator. Right now it's saying that I'm communicating with either 9 or 10 satellites here, and this blinking red light indicates that it's receiving information from the satellites. If you see the screen flickering, it's due to the camera. Alright, this device comes in a little plastic box like this. If you want more information, visit my website for the schematic and code for the project. This project was made with an Arduino Nano and a BN220 GPS antenna module, as well as a SSD 1306 OLED or OLED. All right, here's the power switch here. I'm going to shut it off, turn it back on, and it goes to a splash screen, and then it'll go back to whatever screen you had it on the last time you had it turned on. This button here is the mode button. It goes between screens, and this is the save or change button. Pressing this button goes to another screen. Universal time. This grid right here is used by ham radio operators to indicate their location. Next screen is the local time, and you can change this UTC time difference here with this button. So by pressing this, you can change the offset hours. All right. Next screen is a speedometer. We're not going anywhere right now, but it will show you the altitude, the degrees you're going in, and which direction. North, for example. Again, here's the grid coordinates for ham radio operators. Temperature is next screen. It's not real accurate because my finger is touching the sensor, which is right here. Also, this picks up heat from the board because this GPS antenna sets off a little bit of heat, and it heats up the board. It also shows you Kelvin as well as Celsius degrees. Next screen is your battery level. Make sure you change the 9-volt battery here when it gets lower than 6.5 volts. This battery will last for over 8 hours of continuous use. And you don't want to leave it on the whole time. You want to shut it off when you're not using it. This is probably the most important screen. This is the home navigation screen. It tells you where home is. The home location I set it to was right outside the door here. And it tells you what direction home is. For example, 4 degrees north. And this is the direction you're going right now. If you were moving, this will show what direction you're going. So you want to make sure that the degrees here in this line and the degrees here in this line are about the same. So you're going in the same direction as home, as well as the north and west compass direction. Your current location shows you the latitude, longitude, and altitude that you're currently at. If you want to save this current location as your home, then you press this button here. So let's say you're in a parking lot and you want to record the location of your car. Then you can press this button here. Or the beginning of a trail, or your campsite, or the hotel you're staying at. So by pressing this, saves the current location as your new home location. Next screen is your home location. So the current location right now and the home location are the same. And back to how many satellites you're communicating with. All right, again, if you want more information about this project, visit my website, or you can email me at wo4rob@gmail.com.